In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency format in Airtable. To get started, open the Airtable base and go to the table that contains the currency field you want to update. This is the field where your values are already being stored as numbers or currency, and the goal here is to make sure they display in the exact format you need. Taking a moment to open the correct table first will help you avoid editing the wrong field by mistake. Once you're in the right table, locate the column for the currency or number field. At the top of that column, click the drop-down arrow beside the field name. This opens the field menu where Airtable gives you options for managing how that column behaves and how the data is displayed. From that menu, choose the option that says Edit Field, or in some versions, Customize Field Type. Both options take you to the same place, the settings panel, where you can control the formatting of that field. This is where you'll make the actual currency changes. In the field settings, look for the currency format options. Here you can select the currency style or symbol you want to use. For example, you may want to display values with a dollar sign, euro sign, pound symbol, or another supported currency format. This setting affects how the numbers appear visually in your table, which is especially helpful when you're working with budgets, invoices, sales data, or any financial records that need to be easy to read. After choosing the currency format, check the decimal settings. If needed, adjust the number of decimal places so the values are shown exactly the way you want. In many cases, 2 decimal places are ideal for standard currency values, but depending on your workflow, you may prefer more or fewer. Making this adjustment helps keep your data consistent across every record in the table. When everything looks right, save the field settings. This applies the new formatting to the column, so Airtable can display all existing and future values using the updated currency style. Finally, review the records in your table to confirm that the currency is displaying correctly. Scroll through a few entries and make sure the symbol, formatting, and decimal places all look as expected. If something seems off, you can always reopen the field settings and fine-tune the format. That's it. Your Airtable currency field is now updated and easier to read.